Growing tuberose flowers at home is very easy because it requires a very basic care, and in this video we will talk all about tuberose plant care. So let's begin, and don't forget to subscribe. Tuberose plant is a summer season fragrant flowering plant. In the moist environment of rains, these grass type plants grow a long spike with a cluster of flower buds over them. As these buds bloom, their fragrance fills your whole garden with a beautiful smell. They mostly blooms at the night time, and their thick and fragrant white colored flowers stay fresh and odorable for around 7 to 10 days. Tuberose plant is native to Mexico and can be grown in any tropical region. To grow tuberose plant, you can either sow their tubers or bulbs in the soil in the starting summers, or you can also buy their mature plants from your local nursery. And once you have them, they continue to divide under the soil and you can separate them later. To take your tuberose plant on flowering, you need to follow up on a few important care tips. So let's talk about them. To keep the tuberose plant alive and growing, you need to water them very carefully. In the summers, moisture evaporates much quickly. That's why you have to water them on alternate days. But remember, water should be draining out properly. Make sure your planter have drainage holes and a good medium, so the moisture can drain well. If the moisture stays long in the soil, it can cause fungal growth and rotting of its bulbs. To overcome this whole issue, you should use a well-draining soil mix. And to make a good soil mix at home for your tuberose plants, you can use these ingredients in similar ratios. This mixture will keep the plant very thriving. Otherwise, a ready-to-use soil mix for tuberose plant is also added in the description box. You can use that because tuberose plant also requires a good concentration of nutrients around its roots to bloom well. The another thing in tuberose care is the location of your tuberose plant. As it is a summer season plant and have to produce flowers, obviously sunlight is going to be extremely important. You should provide at least 3 to 5 hours of direct sun to your tuberose plants, and more than that will be good. Deficiency of sunlight causes less blooming and a stunted growth on the plant. So be careful while choosing a location for your tuberose flower plant. Another thing in tuberose plant care is its fertilization. So it is a heavy feeder and requires a variety of nutrients on regular basis. To fulfill this need, you should use a high dose fertilizer every 10 days in the season. For that, you can buy a powerful fertilizer linked in the description box. It works really well on tuberose plant. Otherwise, deficiency comes up on the tuberose plant in the form of browning tips and many other issues. You can also use a mix of cow dung and kitchen waste compost. It also keeps the soil fertile and acidic for its flowering. A complete guide on cow dung compost benefits is also linked in the description box. Just make sure your tuberose plant is well fertilized. As tuberose plant is a heavy feeder, its roots grow and produce pups in the season. That's why you might need a wide and deep container. Root bounding can also affect its flowering, so make sure of that. Tuberose plants grow in the summer season with a slightly warm environment. Starting from springs and going up to late summer days, these plants grow really well. Winter season is its dormancy time, and it can pass this very easily if you put it in a shade. Otherwise, you can save its bulbs to grow them in the next springs. There aren't so many diseases in tuberose plant. Rotting of its main trunk and its bulbs can be a serious issue. So to prevent this problem, make sure of your soil quality and watering habits. Pests also attack tuberose. A complete guide on that is also linked in the description box. You can check that, and don't forget to subscribe.